Greetings, fellow explorers. I'm Ash, and today we embark on an epic journey with the Oman NASCOM Space Mission 2040. Join us as we unveil the fascinating mission of the Prosperity rover to Mars. Let's delve into the heart of this mission. The Oman NASCOM Space Mission 2040 is a beacon of Oman's dedication to space exploration. Our goal? To send the Prosperity rover to Mars, where it will unravel the red planet's mysteries. So, let's get started. What's the Prosperity rover's mission, you ask? It's not just about exploring Mars, it's about laying the groundwork for future human exploration and resource utilization. One of the most exciting aspects of this mission is the science. The Prosperity rover will analyze Martian soil, search for signs of ancient life, and investigate the possibility of using Martian resources for future missions. In the background, you can see the vision of a space station in Duqm, Oman. This is where the magic will happen, the control center for the Prosperity rover and the gateway to Mars. Today, we're pushing the boundaries of exploration, venturing into uncharted frontiers. Who knows what wonders we'll discover on the journey to Mars? Now shift your attention to the breathtaking Duqm spaceport. This state-of-the-art facility in Oman will be the launch pad for our grand Martian adventure. Behind these colossal gates, the Prosperity rover is undergoing meticulous preparations. It's being equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure it thrives in the Martian environment. Feel the anticipation in the air? It's almost time. In just moments, the rover, encapsulated in its protective shell, will soar into the vastness of space. In the upcoming scene, prepare to be treated to a whimsical glimpse of how our trusty rover embarks on a cosmic roller coaster ride to reach the frosty delights of Mars's South Pole.
Hello there. I'm Prosperity, the trailblazing rover from Oman's NASCOM mission, making history as the first ever rover to touch down on the southern surface of Mars. Ready to join me on this exciting journey across the Martian frontier? It's been quite a cosmic odyssey, spanning 7 months of space travel to cover millions of miles and finally arrive at this remarkable destination. Throughout this future mission, my primary objective will be to gather invaluable data and resources from the southern region of Mars. Here's a glimpse of what I aim to innovatively collect and send back to Earth. I'll be equipped with advanced instruments to prospect for essential resources such as water ice, minerals, and other materials that could support future human colonies on Mars. By exploring the southern Martian terrain, I'll collect geological data that could unlock the planet's history, revealing clues about its formation and evolution, while also searching for signs of microorganisms in the ice, which could provide invaluable insights into the potential habitability of Mars in the past or present. I'll search for biosignatures and organic compounds that could hint at the presence of past or even current life on Mars, a discovery of profound significance. Unlike previous rovers, I'm equipped with an ultra-sensitive thermal sensor that can detect even the faintest temperature variations. This will help us better understand the Martian climate, study subsurface temperatures, and identify potential geothermal activity. So, while I'm here to continue the legacy of Mars exploration, I'm also bringing a fresh set of tools and capabilities that will unlock new horizons and redefine our understanding of the red planet.
Hello once more. Wasn't that an incredible short journey? I trust you had a blast. Let's hope you find the Prosperity rover mission by Oman NASCOM mission just as thrilling. After collecting samples and data, the rover will transmit these findings via our space station's cutting-edge communication system, ensuring swift delivery of Martian discoveries to Earth. That was the end of our Prosperity rover voyage to Mars. So, I'm wrapping up this session for now. Until next time, take care and see you in the future.